Cheska, if you observe, karamihan ng mga tanong na importante na dapat may tanong kay Acosta, sino nagtanong? Ang nagtanong si Presiding Officer Escudero eh. Right? Kung napapansin ninyo, lagi sinasabi ni Presiding Officer Escudero, okay, with the indulgence of the councils to abbreviate the proceedings and then diretso na kaagad itatanong kay Ms. Acosta. In fact, 'di ba si Presiding Officer ang nagtanong about kung sino nag-utos sa kanya na ibigay kay La Chica yung pera? It was Presiding Officer Escudero who asked the question. Kasi hindi maitanong nung prosecutor ng tama kasi nag-o-object din yung respondent counsel. And finally, si Presiding Officer Escudero said, sige na nga, ako na nga magtatanong and ask Ms. Acosta that question. So, whether she was classified as a hostile witness or not is really, I would say, not that material in the context of the impeachment trial.